Hello everyone. In this module, we are going to learn how to install Matplotlib using a Conda package, and we are going to cover installing, upgrading and uninstalling of a Matplotlib. In the previous module, we discussed about the installation of a Matplotlib using a pip package. You can choose any one of the method as per your choice. So before we start with the installation of a Matplotlib, we must make sure of the following prerequisites. Make sure Python and Miniconda must be installed in your system. Basically, Python comes pre-installed with the Miniconda. Now, let's start with the installation of a Matplotlib. To begin with the installation, we have to open a command prompt application on our system by simply searching Conda prompt in the Windows search box. Here you can see that the Anaconda prompt is opened. Now to check whether the Python is installed or not in your machine, you can type the following command python version and hit enter. With this you clearly see that Python with version 3.9.7 is installed in my system. Now after this you have to upgrade the Conda. Basically Conda usually come with the older version, so it's always a good idea to upgrade it. For this you have to type a command conda update -n base -c defaults then conda and hit enter. With this conda with upgrade version is installed in your system. To proceed further, you have to type Y and hit enter. Now you have to create a directory in which you want to save our Matplotlib project. I want to create a directory in my G drive. So firstly I move to the drive G. Then now I create a directory in which I want to save my project with the help of mkdir command. Here's the name of my directory is my project and I hit enter. Now I move to the above created directory by using the cd command cd my project and hit enter. You can see that I move to the above created directory. Now we will construct an environment for our application by using a name method. For this you have to type a command conda create -name and the name of your environment which you want to create. Here I name it my venv and hit enter. It will take some time and create. To proceed further, you have to type Y and hit enter. You can see that it successfully created a virtual environment. Now you have to activate it. To activate your environment, you have to type conda activate and the name of the environment, and here is my venv and hit enter. From this you can see that it successfully activate your environment as the name of your environment shows at the beginning of the prompt. Now after this we have to install Matplotlib. To install a Matplotlib we have to write conda install Matplotlib and hit enter. It takes some time, so to proceed further you have to type Y again and hit enter. It takes time to install Matplotlib, so wait. Basically this command will install the latest version of a Matplotlib. With this we successfully install Matplotlib. But if you want to install Matplotlib with any specific version, you have to type the command conda install matplotlib double equals to 3.4.2. Here 3.4.2 is the specific version which I want to install and I hit enter. The installation process starts. From here you can see that it will downgrade the following packages. So if you want to proceed further, type Y and hit enter. You can see that the installation start. It will take some time. With this Matplotlib is installed successfully. So before we create any project in Matplotlib, we have to verify whether it is installed or not. For this You must access Python shell just by typing Python in the Conda prompt. And here I type, you can see that the Python shell is open now. Now write import matplotlib and hit enter. Now to check version, type matplotlib dot double underscore version double underscore and hit enter. With this you can see that the Matplotlib version 3.4.2 is successfully installed in my system. With this we learn how we can install Matplotlib using a Conda package. Now we will learn how to upgrade Matplotlib. Surely Matplotlib release new stable version in future. As a result, we must upgrade Matplotlib at that time. So to upgrade Matplotlib, type Conda update Matplotlib and hit enter. To proceed further, type Y and hit enter. From here, you clearly see that it will update the following packages. Now we again check which version of Matplotlib is installed after upgrading it. For this, I open a Python shell again and type import Matplotlib and hit enter. Then I type matplotlib dot double underscore version double underscore and hit enter. With this you can see that it will update it into the 3.5.1 version, which is the latest one. Now we will learn how to install Matplotlib. Maybe in future you want to uninstall Matplotlib. For this, type command conda remove Matplotlib and wait. Now to proceed further, type Y. With this we uninstall Matplotlib. So in the next module we will start with the first program of Matplotlib.